What if a simple flower could change your life forever? A flower that shines like silver and holds a secret. Today's story is about kindness, greed, and a mysterious silver rose. Welcome to Talk Through Tales. Here we learn English through simple and meaningful stories. Our stories are perfect for kids and beginners. Long ago, in a peaceful village in Pakistan, there lived a kind young man named Ali. Ali was poor, but he had a good heart. Every day, he worked in a small garden. One morning, while watering the plants, he saw something strange. A beautiful rose was shining in the sunlight. It was not red or pink, it was silver. Ali was surprised. He had never seen a silver rose before. When he touched it gently, soft sparkles filled the air. At that moment, an old traveler came near him. The man smiled and said, "This is not an ordinary flower. This is the silver rose." Ali was curious. "What is special about it?" he asked. The traveler replied, "This rose gives blessings to kind hearts, but brings trouble to greedy ones." Soon people in the village heard about the silver rose. Some smiled with wonder, but others felt greed in their hearts. A rich man tried to steal the rose at night, but the moment he touched it, the glow disappeared. The garden became dark and silent. The next morning, Ali came and held the rose with love. Slowly, the silver glow returned. Everyone understood the truth. Magic stays where kindness lives. Moral of the story: true beauty shines in a kind heart. Greed fades the magic, but kindness brings it back. Did you like this magical story? What would you do if you found the silver rose? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Talk Through Tales for more simple and magical English stories. Let's learn English together, one story at a time.